people who have high cholesterol and love butter. Like me, I love my butter. Today, we're gonna make a much healthier version of butter. Long time ago, I found out that if you put safflower oil and mix it with your butter, you stretch your butter. The volume grows. All you need is safflower oil and butter, softened butter. Safflower oil is known to reduce cholesterol. I've been using it for years. It's also good for weight loss, skin care, and health-wise. It's good for you. There's nothing bad about it. I use it on my face as a moisturizer, very little. You could use salt butter or sweet butter, it's up to you. I use a pound of butter and a half a cup of safflower oil, and I mix them together. Stay tuned and I'm going to show you. But first, we're going to make a fresh loaf of bread so we can have bread and butter. We have homemade bread. Now we're gonna make the butter. We mix the butter with oil. I put the butter in all at once, a whole pound of butter. You can make a half a pound of butter too and use less oil. I'm gonna start adding the oil now, gradually. Okay, everybody, see? The pound of butter. Oops. There we got butter, look. Look how nice it is. 4 sticks of butter. It changes color too. It gets whiter. Now put it in the bowl, and then we'll have it on our bread. It feels like whipped cream. This is butter, Mama. You gotta remember your heart. See how nice the volume, it increases. It's nice and soft. It's healthier because you're using less butter. My mother always served hot bread with olive oil. We're gonna do our bread, our hot bread with butter. It smells like fresh baked bread. And I just took my bread out of the oven. I can't wait till it cools off, right? You can't have butter. Your mommy said no. Whew. Whew. See how nice it is? This is real soft, but this will get harder. This will get harder when you put in the refrigerator. You won't use that much. Mmm. It's melting. Mmm. Mmm. Oh, so good. Easy? Easy. I'm getting more easy. You can use this butter on anything. Sweet potatoes, mashed potatoes, baked potatoes, white bread, whole bread, toast. Whatever you use butter, you can use this butter. For the bread dough recipe, you can go to my pizza video or to my spinach bread video. It's all the same dough. I hope you try my butter recipe. It's really good. You see how I enjoyed it. Thanks for watching. Love you. Bye. Mmm. Smoking. Oh, so good.